Hi everyone. Today we are going to see one of the most frequently asked questions in the FANG interview questions. The question is how to find a missing number in a sequence or in a list which consists of 1 to n integers. So let us quickly jump into the program. So now we have a list. Assume that we'll have so we have a list which consists of 1 to n numbers missing only a single number. So let us have a look into the my list here. I took a list, my list. So I'm just giving 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you could observe, I'm just removing 5 here. So this my list consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8. So this is how my list appears. So the question is how you're going to find the missing number. When you look at the my list here, you can quickly say by looking at the screen the number missing is 5. But how we are going to get the missing number using this Python code? So the logic here is first, we need to find out the sum of n natural numbers, which is the basic math which we might have learned from our schooling and all. So, suppose there are n natural numbers, how we are going to find the sum of n natural numbers? So, we are going to find sum of n natural numbers by using a formula called n into n plus 1 by 2. This is how we are aware of. So first, we need to find the sum of n natural numbers, and the second step is find the sum of the given list. Then subtract the actual sum minus our estimated sum, which will give you the final result. So now I'll just write the stepwise procedure of this process. So first, find the sum of n natural numbers. The second step is find the sum of the list. Then the final step is how you are going to get the result. So how we are going to get the result? So sum of n natural numbers, let us take that is your actual sum. Assume you are trying to store it in actual sum. So sum of the list is our estimated sum. So how you are going to get the result is actual sum minus estimated sum will give you the sorry will give you the missing number. So let us implement this first. So this is our list first, right? So in order to find the sum of the natural numbers, we need to find first of all 1 to n natural numbers. So first we need to find the length of the list. So and also we need to add a plus 1 to the length of the list because we are expecting one more number to be in the list, right? We are missing a number. So this is not something like, so this will give you a 7 length for this list, but actually is 1 to n is nothing but n natural. N is nothing but we are trying to find the sum of n natural numbers, so the length should be 8, right? So that's why we'll just give a length. How we are going to find the length of the list is nothing but there is a function called len which will give you the length of the list. So len my underscore list, we are adding a 1. I hope you're clear why did I add 1, because we are interested to find the 8 natural number summation. So once we got the list, we need to find the actual sum. So how we are going to find the actual sum? So which is nothing but n multiplied by n plus 1. So I'll put in parenthesis n into n plus 1 divided by 2. I'm just giving a floor wise division so that it will round it off. If there is some floating point also, it will round it off to the nearest whole number and then it will be multiplied with the length. So this is how you're going to get the actual list. Then how we are going to find the estimated list, estimated sum. So finding the estimated sum. To find the estimated sum, there is a simple function called sum. We'll call it upon this sum of my list. We'll give a my list here. So this is how we calculated the origin. Sorry, this is how we calculated the actual sum. This is how we calculated the estimated sum. Once we calculate the actual sum and estimated sum, how we are going to find the result. So the result is going to be actual sum minus estimated sum. So this is what we discussed, right? This is what is the logic we discussed earlier. So we tried to implement it now this way. So we'll try to print and know the missing number. The missing number we stored in result, right? So I'll just display this result when you run this. So if you could observe, this is our original list, right? This is our original list where 5 is missing here. So the missing number is 5. If you want to recheck it, let us have a look by adding a 5 here and we'll remove a 7 here and let us check. We are not, please make sure that we are not changing any length of the list. So let us rerun it. Once you rerun it, so this is the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 7 is missing, so the missing number is 7. Okay, so this is how we are going to find the missing number. So the logic is pretty simple. First you need to find the sum of n natural numbers, and then the second step is find the sum of the numbers within the list and subtract the actual sum minus estimated sum, which will give you the missing number. I hope you understand this. So for more programs regarding this fang interview questions, if you want, please comment it out and please subscribe to Python enthusiast. Thank you.